Are you looking for a way to strengthen the immune system, reduce blood sugar, and prevent respiratory diseases? This drink is the best fit for you. So the first thing we need here is our gloves. Gloves strengthen immunity and has antiseptic properties. My branded glove, use this, or you choose to use this, all is the same. It's gonna give you the same thing. Okay, what we need here is our bay leaf. Most of us have this in our kitchen, but we don't know the benefit of this. Bay leaf increases insulin production and lowers the level of sugar in the body, and also treats digestive disorder. There's a lot of benefits in this. So right now I'm going to show you guys how to use it for more effective. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Just keep on watching. I'm going to show you guys how to use it. Okay, I'm going to use to mix or add 3 of this bay leaf into the cup. Just then I'll add my hot water. You can see it's very hot. This is just like 400 ml of water, okay, of hot water. So right now you can go ahead and use 4 cloves, or you can use your grounded cloves. So for this recipe I'm gonna use my grounded one. It's all the same thing, give you the same thing we are looking for. So right now I'm going to add just half teaspoon of grounded clove into it. Just half teaspoon of clove. Then I'll cover it and I'll allow it to sit for 30 minutes. Okay, I'll be right back in 30 minutes. This 30 minutes after. So just stir everything together. Then I'm going to use my strainer. So guys, this drink will strengthen the immune system in the body. It protects against respiratory system such as cough and more of it. It also treats insomnia and aid fast sleep. Drink it 1 cup before bedtime. When you wake up in the morning, you see how your body will just look like. Just 1 cup before bedtime. Okay, it's not recommended for pregnant women. Please, if you are pregnant, don't take it. So here comes the end of the video. Hope you guys love it, hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye guys, see you guys in my next video.